Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. In today's video we are here in Margao city, which is the capital of the south of Goa. So right now we are going to go to this very popular snack food place, and I'm going to be showing you some original authentic Goan snack food. So this is right now we are at Dom Pedro, which is the shop that we are going to. This has snacks for generations. My grandfather used to come here and my family comes here, so every time I'm in Margao I have to come to this place and check it out. So we are going to go inside and talk to Mr. Peter, who's the owner, and he's going to be explaining to us all the different kind of snacks which are available here in Goa, guys. So these are the authentic Goan snacks, so let's go and check it out. So guys, this is Dom Pedro over here. This is the store which is in Margao city. So we'll just go inside and we will meet Mr. Peter. So we will meet Mr. Peter. So this is Mr. Peter over here. So Mr. Peter, can you explain to us all the different snacks available?
We are basically into Goan snacks.
Yes.
Especially prepared in Goan style.
Yeah.
We have a variety of snacks. If you want to, you want me to name them, you can name them.
Yes, please. That would be great.
Yes.
So this is all the different snacks that are available here. Can you start by this one?
Yes.
These are what are the
These are dinner rolls.
dinner rolls? Okay.
Then we have chicken roll.
Are these Portuguese based?
Yes.
The Portuguese brought them here,
Yes,
yeah?
yes,
So
yes.
dinner rolls. Okay.
Yes.
And then what is the next?
Then we have
These are samosas.
samosas.
These are beef samosas. Okay. This is another delicacy here. Beef samosas. These are sanas.
sweet and plain.
There are different types. What is the different one?
These are without jaggery. The other ones are with jaggery.
Okay, so these are the sweet ones with jaggery, and these are the plain ones.
Yes.
Okay, these can be eaten with when you're having your chicken curry or sorpatel or any Goan dish. Yes, this is our
Chicken patties.
chicken patties,
Then we have beef patties.
beef patties,
Then we have chicken spring rolls.
chicken spring rolls. Amazing.
Okay. Then we have prawn patties.
Okay, prawn patties. Now this is one of my favorite prawn patties because when I was a young kid, I used to always want
Chicken
those.
spring roll,
Chicken spring rolls,
chicken kafriel pauji.
chicken kafriel pav. Okay. Okay. Can we tell them the rates? So how much are the bread?
These are 5 rupees each.
5 rupees each.
Beef samosas are 25 rupees each.
Okay.
Then chicken patties are 20.
20 for
Then these
the
are 20 beef patties.
beef patties. 20.
Yeah. Then we have chicken spring rolls.
Yeah.
25.
25.
Then we have veg spring rolls.
Okay. 20. Okay. Veg spring rolls are 20. The prawn
145
20. Okay.
Then this chicken kafrial
Is
we have for 25.
25.
Then we
Okay.
have roast beef,
Okay.
same type.
Okay.
Pãozinho because of Portuguese.
Okay.
Pãozinho.
Pauzinho.
Yeah.
Okay. In Portuguese.
P-A-O-Z-I-N-H-O.
Okay. Pauzinho. Pauzinho.
And then we have fish pãozinho.
Okay, they have fish, they have like this, and they have the fish option also. Those are all 25?
No.
Fish is 20.
And roast beef 25.
Yeah.
The fish are 20.
Okay, great. So,
Okay.
these are beef
These are veg samosas.
veg samosas. How much is this? 15. This is how much?
This bucket
20. These are.
Prawn risotto. This is Portuguese.
This is Portuguese. This is a Portuguese snack. Okay, prawn risotto. So inside we have like a prawn paste, correct?
Yes, yes.
Okay, prawn paste. Okay.
145 card.
What are these?
cutlet,
This is beef cutlet,
beef roll,
beef rolls. How much are these?
This one is 25.
20
Hello.
and 25. Okay, what?
fish cutlet, tuna fish cutlet,
Tuna fish cutlet.
25.
25.
Roast beef pauji.
This
Roast
is-
beef pauji.
This is the roast beef pauzine, which is a Portuguese thing.
Beef chop, potato and
And this
beef.
is beef chop. How much is it?
40.
40 rupees. Okay, so the beef chop is 40. This is a chicken beef burger.
Yes, sir.
Okay, how much is that?
60.
60 rupees. Okay, so these are
Chicken
all
roll we
the.
have also.
Okay,
Chicken
so
roll also 60. Then we have very famous Portuguese style salted beef roll.
Okay.
Out of the world.
okay. So then this is
That
the
is
gentleman to
95
come and meet
rupees.
here. Okay, they have many other things over here. So these are all the rates over here, which you can see. So you can choose accordingly. These are mostly the Goan snacks. So you can choose any of these.
Sorpatal, Vindaro, Rola.
All the
Okay.
takeaways.
Okay, so they have a lot of Goan dishes which are takeaways, which is these are the authentic Goan dishes which you have to come and try. These are takeaways. These are all in half kilo. So according to that, yeah. Okay, so these are all frozen, right?
Yes.
Okay, so then they take it home and okay. Can you show us one? So she's going to show us one. These are all the snacks, and then they have all these other snack things. These are all popular things that we eat over here. So this is a sweet ball. This is very popular in the south of Goa. And they have these bolinas. These are all things you have to try when you're Goa, especially if you're a vegetarian. Then this is an option to try this sweet ball. Okay, yeah, okay. So these are the packages that she's showing us. So this is the beef roulade, for example. So you just take this home, put it in the microwave, and you're sorted. Yeah. Okay. So those are the prices over there. Let's just look at the prices again. So that is
We have
our
sweets.
Goan dishes.
All types of cakes.
Yeah.
All types of cakes.
Okay.
Carrot cake, plum cake, sponge cake, and tutti frutti cake. One. Number two, we have donuts. We have profiteer rolls. They
Okay.
call them eclairs.
You all make them all here?
Yes.
Okay.
Make
Fantastic.
definitely.
Okay. Fantastic. So these are all the delicious snacks, and all the locals always come here and have these delicious snacks here in Goa. So these are the snacks I got. Okay, so I got the croquet, I got the risotto. Okay, so I'll just open up the risotto and show you what it's like. So inside you can see this creamy textured prawns. So if you see over here, these are the creamy textured prawns, and I got these roll and I got these prawn patties. This is full of prawns. So let's just open it. So this is like a prawns in onion jam. So this is a very popular snack over here and one of my favorites. I used to always come to this place because of these two things. So I love prawns basically. So let's just get on to eating now, and then I'll just show you some other things that they have over here. So very delicious. Exactly how I remember them from when I was a kid coming here. So I used to come after my classes and I used to always get this over here. So it's very delicious. And yeah, still the same. Mr. Peter is here for generations now. His wife actually started this, and he's been taking over the place, and he's been doing a very good job and helping the people to get authentic Goan snacks, guys. So these are some party snacks kind of things which you have. These are things which you put mayonnaise and vegetables in this, right?
Fish also.
And fish. Okay, so you put that. What are these?
These are also same thing, but shape is different.
Okay, so these are for canapes, basically for parties.
Right.
Okay, so they have all these local crispy canapes which you can use. You can fill them up with tuna, fish, chicken, anything.
We do the paste also. If you want.
Okay, so Mr. Peter will do the paste for you if you want, and he will fill them and get it done for you. And what are these? Oh, so these are the canapes. They come in this.
This one.
So this is what it basically looks like once it's filled. So yeah, this is the Dom Pedro, and this is the bowl which I was talking about, sweet bowl,
Wedding.
which is it's given for weddings.
Yeah.
Oh, so
We want 300. The end
Okay.
of the month.
so Mrs. Peter is going to give 300 to somebody for a wedding. So these are basically at weddings they give this out.
And people also.
Okay, so
30 rupees each.
okay, these are 30 rupees each, and they give it to people for weddings, guys. Okay, so that is it from Mr. Peter's shop here. Yeah. Anything else you would like to sell?
Sweets we have. I told
Okay, yeah, you told me you have a lot of sweets.
Bolinas,
Yeah,
toast.
I showed them the bolinas and everything. So this is Mr. Peter. He has many snacks over here. So definitely come and visit his shop. So guys, I'm done with my snacks. Mr. Peter was very emotional because I remembered that his wife opened this place many years ago, and he was really emotional that I remembered, because I remember him from a small kid when I used to come here and it's nice to meet these people. You know, I call him the Don of snacks in Goa. So because he's been such a fundamental guy, you know, he's really old now, and he's still, you know, he's pumping up and he's still making these amazing Goan snacks for us all, and I'm really proud of him, you know, as a Goan. So anyway guys, that is it from here in Margao. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe.